Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.ais.ac.ug. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Accounts International School Uganda. In this main page one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Accounts International School Uganda. So here they are given current vacancies: homeroom teacher, music, art, drama, PE, mathematics, language teacher, IT teacher, science teacher, humanities, A-level business teacher, psychology teacher, French teacher, experienced administrator, early childhood homeroom teacher. So these are the vacancies for academic year 21-22. So what they offer, what are the benefits they are offering for teachers? Here they are given here: competitive salary package, contribution to NSSF, medical insurance, tuition waiver, work permit, safe and conducive environment, fully funded mandatory IB professional development, advancement in the career opportunity. So these are the things are they are offering for the teachers. So what are the essential experience and training needed? So minimum of bachelor degree for teaching position, or minimum or master degree for senior management position, a teaching certificate, relevant teaching experience in the international school, preferred experience and training with IB World School. So these are the things are they are expecting from the candidate. So preferred date of joining is August 2021. So if you are interested these job vacancies, if your subject vacancies available for in this school, so you can apply here. Click here to apply. If you click this link you can get another job application form. So this application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 2 sections in this application form. You will require to upload up to date CV, maximum of 2 page, and up to date cover letter, maximum of 2 page. Please ensure you have all document ready to upload. You begin this process. The first one, you can enter your personal information, your first name, last name, email address, phone number, currently based in which country, you can give it here. Then you can upload your cover letter and CV. Finally you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Accounts International School Uganda. So if you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from here itself. The second one is you can enter in this URL www.myenglish.com.sg. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of My English School Singapore. In this main page, one of the option about us. If you click this link about us, you can get what are the teaching job opportunities. Teachers for nursery, kindergarten and primary students. They are seeking passionate educator with the following qualification to teach students. So what they considering: candidate with a degree in English or related field from a reputable university and GCEA or O-level English, experience and trained school teacher with a relevant qualification. So personal characteristics they are given here. Teachers must be able to express themselves clearly in standard of English. Work schedule they are given, contact given. If you are interested in joining us, please send us an email with your CV, a cover letter and recent photograph and copies of your qualification and references. Please indicate your availability and contact number in your letter. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. So admin vacancy is also available here: education, advisory and customer service. So they are given what are the qualification and experience for admin vacancies, what are the responsibilities. The same project, if you are interested for the admin position, you can send your cover letter, CV, photograph, qualification and references. So for example, if you are send us as email, if you click this link, it will be redirected to your email careers@myenglish.com.sg. You have to send all the details to careers@myenglish.com.sg. This is the way you have to submit your job application for nursery, kindergarten and primary students. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.psisd.sch.qa. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instructions. So if you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. Al Kharafa branch job opportunities. So here they are given why join us. So Pearlings Season International School, they are expecting teachers. The selection criteria include they need to be certified and they need to have previous teaching experience. How to apply, they are given here. If you are interested in the job vacancies, please submit your CV in the following email address hr@www.psisd.sch.qa. So what are the job vacancies they are offering here? They are hiring next academic year 21-22 job vacancies. So here they are given job opportunities. If you click this link job opportunity, you can get what are the teaching job opportunities. These are the vacancies for Pearlings Season International School, Al Kharafa branch, Qatar. So what are the vacancies means? Secondary music teacher, mathematics, physics, ICT, biology, chemistry, business studies and economics, primary teacher key stage 1 and key stage 2, early years teacher. So these are the vacancies for Pearlings Season International School, Al Kharafa branch, Doha. So all the jobs are going to expire 27th May 2021. The jobs are going to start August 2021. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your job application via email. Otherwise, you can use the job application here. The here red color asterisks are mandatory. First name, the last name, email address, phone number, which portion are you going to apply. You can mention here. Then you can upload your CV, then you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So if you want more details about these job vacancies, for example, if you want more details about the mathematics teacher, you can click this secondary mathematics teacher. You can get another one page. So here they are given salary are competitive, tax free, full-time job. August 21 they are going to start. Deadline of this application 27th May 2021. So what they offer is excellent terms of employment, competitive tax-free salary, housing allowance, utilities, medical allowance, airfare allowance, end of service benefit. So these are the things are they are offering for the candidate. So what are the requirement? Requirements, so they are expecting degree in the particular subject, experience in the English national curriculum. So all the things are here given itself. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. If you have a test login, you can apply via test login also. Once you have click this link apply now, you can get test job application form also. This is the way you have to apply. Pearlings International School, Al Kharafa branch, Doha. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.